Welcome to Keyscop-Law. Today's topic is Information Technology Act 2000. This IT Act 2000 was enacted on 17th October 2000. Total number of chapters in this IT Act are 13 and total sections are 94. This IT Act 2000 was amended multiple times. Important amendments are in 2018, 2009. 2008 provisions for cyberspace and cybersecurity have been incorporated, and in 2009 provisions for cyber terrorism under section 66F were incorporated, and the total number of chapters and sections and their contents are summarized here in brief for your ready reference. You can go through this table once. We'll see some important practice bits with respect to this IT Act 2000. The first one is IT Act 2000 was enacted on 17th October 2000. IT Act 2000 was amended to make them compliant with Indian Evidence Act 1872, Indian Penal Code, Bankers Book Evidence Act, RBI Act, NI Act. So all the above is the answer here. Amendment to the IT Act held in 2008 and 2009, but here in options 2008 is only there, so answer is C here. Dispute resolution body under IT Act 2000 is Cyber Regulatory Appellate Tribunal, that is correct. When is the data privacy rules introduced in IT Act 2000? Answer is 2011. So point D is the correct answer. Except electronic signature, definitions were included under section 2 of the IT Act 2000. So answer is B here. Another important questions, IT Act is not applicable to conveyance of property, will, power of attorney. So all the above will not attract IT Act. So answer is D here. Which of the following will come under purview of IT Act 2000? Check, hundi and trust, electronic check and truncated check, promissory note. Answer is C here. Electronic check and truncated check will come under IT Act 2000. Electronic check and truncated check will come under purview of IT Act Amendment 2003. So that is March 15, 2003 is the answer. So answer is A here. IT Act 2000 deals with e-commerce, e-governance, cyber offences, all the above. So answer here is D. Legal provision was provided to e-commerce under IT Act 2000. Answer is A here, which is not correct under IT Act 2000. IT Act does not attract offence or contraventions committed outside India. Primary law for cybercrime. Legal recognition to e-commerce. None of the above. So answer is A here. A does not attract offence or contravention committed outside India is not correct here. The purpose of IT Amendment Act 2008 is cyberspace and cybersecurity. So both A and B is the answer here. So answer here is C. The purpose of IT Amendment Act 2009 is cyber terrorism, which covers under section 66F. So both A and B is the answer here. So answer here is C. Computer related offences cover under section 66 to 66F of IT Act 2000. So answer here is A. Prevention and transmission from obscene materials in electronic form under section 67. So answer here is A. Section 68 of IT Act covers power of controller to give directions. So answer here is A. Offences with 3 years imprisonment to be bailable under section 77B. So answer here is A. Offences by companies will cover under section 85. So answer here is B. Punishment under section 66B, section 66C, 66D, 66E is 3 years. So answer here is A. Chapter 9 of the IT Act 2000 covers sections 65 to 78, which covers offences with respect to the misuse of IT information technology, and those are briefly summarized here in the table. You can go through this table so that you will come to know the punishment and penalties with respect to offences committed. This is continuation to the above slide. You can go through this table once. Thank you. Please comment below if you have any queries. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.